Okay, everyone. First, open your camera. Next, enable the grid settings. Most of camera and smartphone have an option to display grid on the screen. So here, now we have the grid. Next, identify points of interest. Determine the main elements or points of your interest in your subject. So let's proceed. Lipo ko na. Identify points of interest. Determine the main elements or points of interest in your subject. So here, what this post and little bit smile. So here he is. So now we have a sample of picture using the roll of thirds. So next, more clear footage. Miss, please look at the camera. So as what you observe in this photo. So after identify point of interest, now let's proceed to our subject. And here it is. First, point the main points to the center of your subject and take a shot. Then what you observe, we Murugit lagi ka katubo, no? Last na. Smile back. Oh. So after enable the grid, now let's identify the point of interest. And now let's shot the subject of our picture. So here it is, point at the center, and boom. So it's already balanced by the help of roll of thirds. So next, let's proceed.